Hey guys, I'm here with my first impressions video about the Atmos Gear. I'm trying them for the very first time now. So right now I've been using them for about a couple minutes, and I need to say I'm really impressed. It actually skates really well. Okay, I'm not throttling right now. I do not have any acceleration. It's just gliding. So you can see like it's freewheel a lot. It's fine. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of an acceleration now. Okay, getting speed now. Yeah, this is quite fast. Okay, let's try the brakes now. Full brakes. So yeah, this is not going to be a better way to stop than a T brake or drag stop. And of course, not as good as a parallel stop. That's not the point, right? The point of having brakes here is to control the speed going downhill. I'm here at a little square, and I have like really good pavement here. So I think it's really good to test these. Brake, and then whoa, you go on the corner. Brake, control speed, accelerate again, and we're going. Yeah, that's actually really nice. So the point is, these skates are really light, okay? I'm going to show you normal skating without the controller right now. So you can see I can skate normally. There's not a lot of problem here. I can even do crossovers. The skates do feel a little heavy, but not as heavy. I mean, not heavier than a aggressive inline skate. The FR boots help a lot because they're really tight. See, I like no throttle whatsoever. I can feel a little bit of a drag when I skate, but it's fine. You see, this is just freewheeling. You can feel it, you can definitely feel it, but maybe you are a little bit of a beginner, you cannot feel it. So it's really hard here today. That's why I'm out of breath. So let's go slowly now so I can talk about what I'm thinking about this right now. So full disclaimer, Atmos Gear did send these to me to reveal it. So, but I mean, completely honest, I don't think lying for anyone will get us anywhere. We need to get the most honest feedback and reviews we can get so we can improve as fast as possible here. So first of all, let's talk about the feel. So the feel is just like an slalom skate because they are rockered. They are rockered. So if you completely despise the rockered combination, I will try some things to see how we can minimize these, but they do not feel like it's a lot of rockering. You can definitely feel a little bit. It makes the skates agile, but they do not make them too twitchy, right? I'm not sure about them in a really big downhill yet, but you can see like I'm on a slalom right now, so yeah, like with a two-wheeled skate, it would be really hard to do as much carving. So if this is very important to you, then yes, the rockered position is a really good one to have. So what else? The wheelbase is really good. I don't have anything to complain about this. The weight, like I said before, they're heavier than a freestyle skate, of course, but they're not too heavy. I mean, if you compare them to an aggressive inline skate with, especially with a flat setup, with like 4 times 60 millimeters setup, I think these are about the same. I'm gonna weigh them down so you can have a proper weight to see, but they do not feel heavy. About the cables, yeah, the cables are kind of a hassle to set up, but after you set them up, like, you forget about them. You can see I put them under my Velcro, under my knee pad Velcro. Oi. Esse aqui tem motor. Oh.
Tem motor?
É, ué, aqui, ó.
Sério que tem motor também?
Tem a rodinha do meio, tem motor, ó.
Como é que você consegue andar?
Ué, você tem um acelerador aqui na mão, você acelera e vai. Nada. So I just had a couple kids ask me about these skates because they saw the, I mean, I almost ran into them, so they used the opportunity to ask about them. They were curious about the wires and why these skates are different. And it's like, oh, these have motors. Anyway, about the wires. After you set them up, you mostly cannot feel them anymore. It's more about the fanny pack though. You can see the fanny pack goes under a normal backpack. So if you want to use the fanny pack and a backpack, it works pretty well. There's no problem there. Even when you crouch down like this, you can squat down. It's very nice. It doesn't bother you at all. I don't know about jumping and tricking yet. This is just a first impressions video. So I'm not sure how these would go on these scenarios, but so far, so good. It works well. It's very fun to ride. So far, I don't know if I'm lacking modes on this controller. Maybe I'm not full power yet. They are, how can I say, do not have that spicy kick, right? You go all the way up and it goes smoothly. So this is kind of safer. Okay, so this is good. This is not bad. This is not a racing equipment anyway. Like for 180 right now. Like I know these go backwards. I just didn't figure out how to do it yet. Most of these controllers have like a button and you just press it and then you go backwards, but I don't know why I'm not able to do it. Anyway, it's probably just me being a noob right here. But so if Atmos is ever watching this, please, please, please make a manual for the controller so we can understand everything about it a little better. So far I've been riding for about 10-15 minutes. I don't have a clue what the battery levels are, but I'm pretty sure I didn't spend a thing because I'm just riding flat terrain here, a really smooth pavement. The wheels will feel really good, so good material, good urethane. Okay, let's go around these dogs here. Yeah, there's a lot of dogs on this square. I come with my dog here as well sometimes because most dogs here are very friendly, so my big dog doesn't have a lot of problems here. But the problem is there's a lot of kids as well. And even sometimes I have kids skating, like the one that just bumped into me. She was skating, come on. Even though it was not a proper skate, it was one of those sneaker with wheels. Anyway, so this is the first impressions video. I'm going to ride in a little bit more and I'll be putting a proper full review video about these soon. So if you want to know anything about it, just put in the comments, like, what do you want to know about it, about them? I'm gonna weight them. I'm gonna try everything I can. So please help me get a full review like that actually matters to you guys. So if you guys are in the fence about getting one of those, because I mean, of course, Thunderblade, right? Well, Thunderblade is not nearly close to go into production, okay? It's really hard to get a hardware product into production, so these guys made it. This is the second version. It's stronger and more powerful than the first one. So if you have the means, you have the funds, okay, let's go support them. And just to make it very clear, they did send it to me, but they didn't pay me anything to review it. It just allows me to make more videos. And of course, this is of interest of everyone around electric inline skates, because it's basically the one and only we have right now to buy. So put down the comments everything you want to know about this, okay? And let's go and storm the streets, guy.
Midnight, we're moving, city breathing under cobalt skies, street lights shimmer in our eyes. Street line glow as the wheels align, lean angle tight but the ride stay fine. Wake shift subtle through the city seam, edge pressure carving through laser beam. Wheel hum steady like a distant train, cold air rushing through an open lane. Shoulders low, let the skyline bend, find the flow where the straight lines end. No spotlight, just skyline glow, velocity quiet but the pulse runs low. Every glide leaves a silver trace, wind in the chest, night in the face. Storm traces set the pace. Feel the crosswind start to rise, hear it singing through the wires. Every spark beneath